Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Jack from Athena Academy, and today we're going to be going through what sidechaining is and how to use it properly. Let's get into it. Okay, so to just very quickly explain exactly what sidechaining is from an audio perspective, sidechaining is where we are trying to get an effect to be activated by an audio signal. Okay, so the way that we do this is we use a limiter. Okay. And we set a threshold within this limiter. Okay, we're actually going to be using the compressor within the limiter, and when the audio levels exceed that amount, the compression kicks in and we get the desired effect. So let's have a look exactly how to do that. Okay, so we've got some different parts of a track that I'm working on here, and the way I want to illustrate how powerful sidechaining can be and how subtle it can be at the same time, I'm going to show you these with and without sidechaining. Let's have a listen. So that's without, and now with. So I'm now going to play the beat that is underneath this carrier and modulator. I'm going to play it without the sidechaining and then with the sidechaining. Now with sidechaining. So as you can hear, sidechaining can have a massive impact on a track. I've used it quite subtly here when in the mix. However, the two main things to take away from this is, one, I've used it to create different rhythmical values within that carrier and modulator synthesizer that I've created. And also, when the kick is actually landing, I don't want my bass to be overriding it and just muddying everything up. So sidechaining is a great way to dull this down and to stop these problems from actually happening in the first place. Let's have a look at another circumstance where you can use sidechaining in something that involves, say, like a trance style music. Okay, for this example, I've got 8 bars using a pad and I'm using nice thick chords. We're going to integrate a sidechain into it and you're going to hear the effects, and they're going to be quite aggressive. Now let's hear that without the sidechaining. So as you can hear, there's nothing wrong with not using sidechaining, but the sidechaining definitely does add a particular trance style to the track. So let's have a look at actually how to get this result. Okay, so just so you're aware, these are the only tracks that are going to be live while we're sidechaining. We have my sidechain kick and we have my carrier and modulator, or you could put anything there, bass, pad, anything you wanted. So we want to go to our mixer, okay, and when we're on our mixer, we want to click on our kick. Now I have 2 kicks in this particular track. So the first kick that I have is the kick you can actually hear when listening to the track, and the second kick I have is just there for its sonic capabilities, if you will. You can't actually hear this kick, however we're getting its audio signal and passing it to different places within the mixer. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very bottom, slide along to the bass or the pad or whatever instrument you want to sidechain. You're going to right click and you're going to click sidechain to this track. We've created the link. Now it's really, really simple from here. All we do, we click on the bass, the pad, whatever mixer channel it is. You're then going to open up a limiter. The way to do this is to click on an empty slot and then go on to limiter, like so. When you've opened up the limiter, it will open up within the limiter section. We want to go into the compressor section. When we're here, turn the threshold absolutely all the way down to 0 and turn the ratio to about 3 o'clock. From here, you can then start pushing the threshold up and reducing or increasing the ratio, okay, to sort of fine tune. Once you've done that, you will then start to use the knee. In this case, I didn't need to, okay. But if we have a look, if I click back on my synth kick again, my sidechain kick again rather, I've linked this to about, well, all in all 4 different channels. Okay, so I'm sidechaining quite a few things on this track to give me my desired result. So the proof really does need to be in the pudding. So let's have a look at what it looks like if I completely reset these settings and then I start to dial it in myself. Now, as I start to increase the ratio, what we should see is sidechaining starting to happen slowly, and then becoming more and more aggressive. So as you can see, you can get your sidechaining very, very, very aggressive if you wanted. So I hope this has helped you to understand kind of what sidechaining is and how it works and how to use it and all that good stuff. If you've enjoyed this video, stick us a like, it really does help us out. And if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Take it easy.